BK, your English teacher. Today I want to teach you guys about the present continuous tense. Let's go on the board. Present continuous tense is, what is present continuous tense? If some action is started now and still continued, it's ongoing, so it's present continuous. Its structure is subject plus is or am plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Its examples are, I am playing hockey, he is driving a car, they are reading their lesson. Now, I am playing hockey, it means I am playing now. It means the action of playing. Playing is an action, a verb. This is continue. I'm doing this action right now. I'm playing the hockey right now. He is driving a car. It means he is driving the car just at the moment. Means this action is continue right now. They are reading their lesson means like they are doing this. For example, they have their book, they are grabbing their book and they are reading their lesson means this action is continue right now, okay? Now, we are gonna change this sentence into interrogative. If we are changing this sentence into interrogative means we are asking some question if someone is playing hockey or not, so we bring the helping verb am at the start of the sentence. Am I playing hockey? And we put here a question mark. And if we are changing the same sentence into negative, means I am not playing a hockey, I am doing nothing with the hockey, so we put here a not. Not. I am not playing a hockey. Okay, now, affirmative, interrogative, and negative. Now on the third number, there is one other kind of the sentence that's called interrogative negative. Interrogative negative, I am putting am here and not here. I am using both am at the start and not in the middle of the sentence, which becomes, see here, am I not playing hockey. This is the fourth kind of the sentence, interrogative plus negative. Okay, the same way he is driving a car. Now, this is the affirmative kind of the sentence. We change this into interrogative, means someone is asking that if he is driving a car or not. Is, we bring is at the start of the sentence. Is he driving a car? Now we are asking that if he is driving a car. And again, we change this into negative sentence that he is not driving a car. So he is not. We put not it here after helping verb is driving a car. Now we change the same sentence into interrogative negative. Interrogative is he not driving a car. Driving a car. Now it here. The last example is they are reading their lesson. Now if we say they are reading their lesson, it means this action is happening right now. But we change this into interrogative. They are reading their lesson. We bring are at the first of the sentence. Are they reading their lesson means we are asking about their reading, if they are reading or not. Okay, now we change the same sentence into negative. They are not reading their lesson. Now again we change this into interrogative negative. We put are at the first and we add when not. See here, are they not reading their lesson? Their lesson. Now here, fourth kinds of a sentence: affirmative, interrogative, negative, and interrogative negative. Thank you very much.